Okay. So this is another development. I just happened to go in here to see if I can go in here. And it's called Floresta. Nice and quiet. It's can I go down that way? No. It is it's north of Dos Héroes and north of Esmeralda. I like the shape of these houses. They are really, really cute, and the lots are huge. So I'm going to say that they're probably no less than 100,000. Wow. And it's giving kind of that Norte Merida vibe. Oh, helicopter. Okay. Very, very different. And they have little parks surrounding the area, which are very nice. I'm just trying to figure out. I feel like I'm going in a circle. There's an area I'm trying to get to, and I have to follow the signs, and I'm confused on how to get there. These houses are very nice. Now, the paint jobs are questionable because I see a lot of chip paint from the buildings, from the houses. I don't know if they're building anymore. And everyone has their little, oh, look at that over there. Oh, and then there's apartments. There looks to be some apartments around here too. Not a lot of trees though. Looks like the only time that they have trees are when they put trees in the yard themselves. Not a lot of vegetation. I like the shape of the houses. Now I gotta find out how much these are selling for. Yeah, this was just out of nowhere. I decided to make a right. I was going to get some coffee. I decided to make a right, and I just drove in here just to see how it is in here. Let's see if we can go further down again. Some of them have balconies. I like that. Like a little front balcony. That's a jacuzzi out in the driveway. The lots look huge. Sorry, we're going to do this again. I'm just trying to figure out how to get down that one spot. It's given a 1960s feel. The shape of the houses. Hard to explain. How do I get down here? Can I turn down here? All right, let's see. Yeah, this is what I'm trying to get to. All right, more vegetation here. Okay, more trees. Okay. Yeah, a lot of the buildings have peeling paint. I don't know what that's about. And this was the cool part. They have their own commerce in this area. Little restaurantes. A farmacia. A lavanderia. Yeah, hold on. All right, so let's go further down. Like I said, this was just impromptu, so no plans. And most of my videos are not planned anyway. Just want to see what this place is like. Now, see, there's a lot of vegetation on the outside of the development on the main roadway. Oh, they are building houses here. Nice. They are building houses here. And this is closer to my Espanol profesor, or profesor de Español, my Spanish teacher. Oh, these houses are... Oh, are they connected? I hope they're not connected. Oh, this is nice over here. I don't know what I was expecting. Because there was not a gate at all to get in here. I thought there would be a gate, and that's kind of why I didn't even venture down here. I don't really want to live in a gated privada. Oh, wow, there's more houses. Oh, wow. So many houses. This is bigger than my area. Oh, I think I like this too. But don't go on my my emotions. Y'all know how I get. I thought I was going to live in Carousel. Now I'm thinking that's too far. Oh, so these are... Oh. Yeah, they're going for 2.1 million. Jeez. That's a little over $100,000. And they look small. Just a little... And see, this is the same size of what I have now. Okay. I gotta move up. I didn't realize there were so many cars behind me. They have, what is it? A lot of camera systems. Oh, these are older houses. These are older houses here. Yeah, this looks like Los Angeles. As far as a little city. Wow. Oh, and they even have more houses. This is bigger than, way bigger than I thought. Is there commerce down here? There's a OXXO down here. Why is everybody turning left if it says right? All right, we're gonna go right because that's what it says. Oh, and there's more housing down here. Wow. Wow. I don't know why this is not showing on the map, but this is not showing on the map when I look at it. All of this has to be similar to the size of Los Angeles. But for some reason, this area is not for rent. Ooh. I wonder how much it's for rent for. Oh, this is big too. All right, hold on. We want to take a picture and see how much it's for rent for, because my lease is up. All right, stand by. All right, so these are 1.8. These are going for 1.8, which is a little less than $200,000. And this is what they're going for in the development that I'm staying in. So I don't know if it's worth it. I like the scheme and the infrastructure of the house. The yard is, yeah, it's the same size property. It looks like the same size property though. Yeah. All right. So where are we going now? Which way should I go? Well, you know what? Let me turn this way. This place is huge. I didn't think it was this big. This development is huge. All right, 37A and 10. All right, because I really want to buy a house. These are nice. Oh, look, and they have back balconies. I wonder how much these are going for. Please don't hit me. Oh, wow. That one has 3 floors. I wonder how much those are going for. Oh, they have a back balcony, but it looks weird in the front. Casa. Oh, gosh. Okay. I kind of like these too, except for some of them look like there's no windows in the front. Wow. And look at this. Yo, I did not know this was here. Okay, I think I'm venturing it in a... So behind me is nothing but a field. But I think I don't know where I am now. I don't even know how to get out of here. Wow. So now I gotta look at Floresta. Look at the houses in Floresta. Because who knew? Who knew? Okay. Oh, so different areas. Okay, different areas of Floresta have providers. Okay, never knew that. There's no provider in Los Angeles, not that I'm aware of. I think where I live now, they're trying to make it into a provider. But for right now, there's no providers in Los Angeles. And see, even some of these single level homes are kind of cute. These are older though. Oh, these are much older. I think I really want a 2-floor house though. And I don't know if it's showing on the camera, but do you see how different some of the developments are? They're very, very different. They all have a different feel to them. I'm going to assume this is the older area. But I believe for this development, Floresta, Fraccionamente Floresta, it's only one way in and one way out. And it's kind of difficult to get out. Are they building houses? No, they're just adding on. This is not bad. Okay, so now I got to look at houses here. But again, like I said, this wasn't planned. I had no plans. So sorry for the unorganization of the video. But I had no plans of coming here. It was just a, hey, let me see what it looks like in here. So what I'll do is, while I'm looking for a house for the next 6 months, what I'll do is I'll just drive around to different areas and take you guys along for the ride to let y'all know what it looks like in different areas while I'm looking for a house, if that makes sense. Because I'm driving, I can't concentrate and talk at the same time. I'm looking, driving, and trying to get my words together. But yeah, it's very interesting over here. Oh, those are on top of each other. But thanks for watching. JoJo is out. Deuces.